Good Sunday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather Update for this July the 7th, 2013. Another hot and mainly dry day across eastern North Carolina, but we're watching maybe one or two showers trying to sneak their way into the area late tonight. But better rain chances as we head towards, say, tomorrow across eastern North Carolina. And we've got to talk about some tropical mischief as we head through the next couple of days. Let's go ahead and hop into some of the modeling as we go through the next several days. Here's a look at the tropical outlook, and obviously the main feature that we're talking about is this little 60% lobe of low pressure over the mid-Atlantic this afternoon, and that's going to continue to track off towards the east, and more than likely this is going to become our next tropical system, a little compact little thing as it's making its way off towards the west and northwest. Right now, the synoptic scale models, the European and GFS, not really picking up on this system, keeping it as a tropical system for very long, but the tropical models a different story. Here's a look at the guidance from the tropical models, the spaghetti models here, and you can see the clustering here, a very defined track here into the Caribbean Sea over the next couple of days, comes across Haiti. More than likely, over the next couple of days, these land interactions are going to help it not develop. That's good news for us, but something to watch here. Something that we've learned here over the past several years, anything that goes past 75 west, the longitude of 75 west, has a tendency to, once it recurves back off towards the north and west, becomes an issue for eastern North Carolina. That's something that we're going to be watching, because you can kind of see here's 75 west and it starts its northwesterly turn. That would indicate that we could have an issue here. Most of the dynamic models, the synoptic scale models, kind of absorb this into another system as we head towards the latter half of the week. We'll show you that in just a minute, but overall we're going to continue to watch this system closely because it could have an effect on our weather pattern as we head towards the latter half of this week. Here's the 12Z guidance off the GFS, and what we've got going on here, a little lobe of low pressure here, and our Bermuda high starting to break down as we head through the next couple of days, and that's going to bring us the better chances for rain. Right now we're still underneath this influence of this Bermuda high pressure system. We'll fast forward into your day on Monday, and you see this lobe of low pressure gets a little closer to us, and also a little piece of energy sneaks in here as well. That'll increase the rain chances, I think, for Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning, and that kind of gets on out of here fairly quickly as we head towards your Tuesday afternoon. We'll have a little lingering piece of energy that'll still enhance the chances for showers and thunderstorms. You see on the surface from the GFS for Monday, most of the rain showers still a touch to our north and west. The European's a different story. It still has the rain showers making its way into the area. And as we look at Tuesday, another chance for showers and thunderstorms. They won't rain all day. They're going to be in the scattered category, but they could be heavy at times. Back over to the 500 millibar chart, and you see the piece of energy associated with that invest area that we're keeping an eye out on. That moves across Florida on the GFS, and we're in a zonal flow at that point, and that would keep us mainly dry the next couple of days. And you see that system coming across Florida here, and then we're dry on Wednesday as the Bermuda high kind of bats that system further down towards the south. We go on Thursday, another little system back off to the west as another trough of low pressure up towards the north and west of us dives southward. Rain chances will likely stay a little bit on the lower end side that day, but we are going to be watching back up towards the north and west because that is going to bring us some rain chances. Here's Friday, and you see that low pressure system making its way down towards the south and the east. Energy coming up, that's going to be that deep southwesterly flow bringing up moisture across eastern North Carolina. And we'll call it wet on Friday. It looks like it's going to be a fairly wet day, maybe a little bit of a windiness near the coast. It's not going to be all that windy, but it will be a little bit breezier near the coastline. Saturday, that low really ramps up as the ridge of high pressure over the central United States really ramps up. So we're going to get back into another pattern very similar to what we saw last week and 2 weeks ago, where we had a deep southerly and southwesterly flow across eastern North Carolina, and that's going to continue to bring us rain chances, especially as we head towards Friday and Saturday. And you see Saturday there, I mean, that just looks wet. So we'll keep higher rain chances going in towards the weekend. The GFS and the European have a decent handle on the system now. The GFS is hedged a little closer to the Europeans' thinking from yesterday on this system. We go into Sunday on the GFS, and the system gets pushed back off towards the west as the Bermuda high starts to build back in as we go in towards Sunday. We won't completely discount some showers and thunderstorms that afternoon, but it will be a lesser chance than what we are going to see on, say, Friday and Saturday. And even heading into Monday, that high pressure ridge builds back in over us, and we go mainly dry. I think maybe some afternoon showers and thunderstorms with that look there. That'll do it here on the ENC Weather Update today. You can always stay up with us on Facebook as well as on Twitter, and WNCT.com for the very latest on everything for Eastern North Carolina. Have a great weather week. We'll have the next update here by tomorrow afternoon.